This is Mr. Frechette. I have some special guests. Yeah, there's one of my special guests, everybody. Sure, he's right there. You'll know who that is in a minute. But today, we are reviewing linear equation word problems. And yes, this is a very unique word problem, but I'm not going to say too much. I'm going to introduce my two special guests, and one of them is Mr. Jamari Irvin. Say hello, Jamari.
Hola.
Hola, excellent. How are you, buddy? And we have Sonny Kazmarek. How's Sonny Kazmarek doing?
Aloha.
Excellent. Just make sure you guys are talking up to the mic so we have that. So, today they're going to help me get through this so we can help you guys with linear word problems. But today, it's a problem about Mr. Frechette. Mr. Frechette was famished, so he ordered a very large hamburger at Wendy's that cost $12. Mr. Frechette was also very thirsty, so he spent most of the afternoon drinking a variety of Starbucks refreshers that cost $6 each. If an equation is made to calculate your total cost, which of the following graphs would display the correct linear equation? So yes, we do have a multiple choice, but I'm going to go to my two special guests because we're going to start highlighting key words in here to figure out where we need to go next so we can find the correct answer. So, in the first sentence, my special guest, Jamari, it says, Mr. Frechette was famished, so he ordered a very large hamburger at Wendy's that cost $12. What should I underline there, my man?
$12.
Okay, $12. Perfect. Wendy's that cost $12. He bought that large hamburger? $12. Sure. What do you think that $12 is going to represent, Jamari? Okay, that's all right. Yes, my B value, right? So Jamari's going back to, just to set a little review, set the tone. Remember, guys, linear equations means y equals mx plus b, right? So we have our slope. And then what Jamari was saying is we have our y-intercept, or our starting value, right? So if Mr. Frechette's going to hang out at Wendy's most of the day, he's got to buy something, right? So my initial cost for getting into Wendy's is buying a very large hamburger, which I did. So there's our review for that. So I'm going to turn it over to Sonny Kazmarek, our superstar YouTuber. He's going to tell us exactly what we're going to underline next. So in our next sentence, it says, Mr. Frechette was also very thirsty, so he spent most of the afternoon drinking a variety of Starbucks refreshers that cost $6 each. So, Sonny, what do you think we should be underlining?
$6 each.
Yeah, $6 each, right? What's the key word in there? Absolutely. So, as you can see, Sonny is a superstar on the YouTube channel. So, and that's the reason, because he knew the key word was each. So, because it's each, what's the each going to, where's that going to fit into our linear equation puzzle, you think?
Slope? I don't know.
Okay, so Jamari says slope. Do you agree with him, Sonny? Absolutely, it is slope. So let's break this down a little bit. So we talked about the $12. Our B value is going to be $12, because that's what Jamari said first. And Sonny and Jamari both agreed, which is awesome. They agreed that the M value was going to be 6, or $6. Right? We could put that over 1, and it would be 6, rising 6, going to the right 1. So rise over run. So, Sonny or Jamari, what do you think our equation would be if we were to have to write it?
Y equals 6 over 1 plus 12.
Plus 12. Okay, so that's perfect. Do you agree with him, Sonny? Absolutely. You're our YouTube superstar, so I would agree that you would agree. So, now this is what we're going to look at. We have 4 graphs. Which graph shows us y equals 6x plus 12? So, what's our starting value? Where's the, it's going to start at 12. So, which graphs start at 12? We have C, D, A, and B.
Not A.
So, not A, because it starts at 6. So, Jamari's like, yep, nope.
Not B.
And not, did you say B?
Yep.
And not B. So these two are out of the mix. So Jamari's using the process of elimination, and Sonny's nodding his head. He's like, yep, he's the man. He knows exactly what he's doing. So, Sonny, we got to figure out what our slope is. That's going to be the next thing. So we've narrowed it down to about 50% chance. We could flip a coin and probably get the right answer. So both of these right here have a starting value of $12. Right? So Mr. Frechette goes to Wendy's. He's got to pay $12. He's got to buy that big burger to kind of hang out for the rest of the day. So which one, though, is going to have a slope of 6 over 1. So it's going to rise 6 and go to the right 1. So it's going to rise $6, right? And go to the right
1.
1.
I don't know.
Well, let's take a look. So we're going to start at 12 here. And that's okay if you don't know. So we're going to start here, and it's going up. What's 18 minus 12?
I know.
What's 18 minus 12?
6.
6, yeah. So 18 minus 12 is 6. Sure. Awesome. So we're actually going up 6 here, right? And if my pen's working, which it should. So we're going up 6, and then we're going all the way over what?
1.
1, yeah, because actually we can put our point there because it's a nice point.
It's that one. It's big.
Yeah, it's probably that one, but let's double check here. Ooh, yeah, it's not looking very good. So if we start here at 12 and we try to find the slope here, we don't have much of a slope at all. I don't even know. Our next point would be, yeah, no. So you can see here, our slope isn't anywhere close. Maybe 2 over, I don't even know what it is. So this one, definitely not. So Sonny, would you say it's safe to say it's letter C? It is absolutely letter C. And this has been another episode with Mr. Frechette and Jamari. He's putting his smiley faces up there. Thank our special guests, Jamari Irvin and Sonny Kazmarin. What a great review. Make sure you guys give us our likes and our subscriptions. Go ahead, press that subscribe button. Mr. Frechette desperately needs some subscriptions. Okay, guys, we'll see you later.